Today we will be doing a lesson in maths. Now what is this we see on our screen? The wooden structure that you see is called as a lattice. The crisscross fence that you see is called as a lattice. So today we are going to be learning multiplication by the lattice method. So let's begin.
Multiplying whole tens and hundreds by another number. Now we have got two whole tens here. 10 is a whole 10 and 30 is a whole 10. Now in such cases what do? We multiply the numbers. So what is 1 3s are? 1 3s are is 3. How many zeros? You have 1 0 here, we have 1 0 here. So that makes it 2 zeros. So the answer is 300. Now the next one, 40 multiplied by 50. Multiply the numerical numbers first. So 4 5s are is 20. Then you will put the 0 which is in 40 and you will put the 0 which is in 50. So that makes it 2000. Now let's multiply 60 by 20. Once again the numbers 6 2s will be 12, the 0 of 60 and the 0 of 20. The number 70 multiplied by 40. Again what will you do? 7, you multiply the numericals first. 7 4s are 28, the 0 of 70 and the 0 of 40. That makes it 2800. I'm sure you would have understood that, children. So let's try the same with numbers of whole hundreds and whole tens. So we have 200 multiplied by 30. Once again, you will multiply the numericals. 2 3s are is 6. 200 has got 2 zeros and 30 has got 1 zeros. So that makes it 3 zeros. The answer is 6000. Let's do 600 multiplied by 90. Multiply numericals. 6 9s are is 54. 1 2 3 zeros. So 1 2 and 3 zeros. Next is 300 multiplied by 70. Again 3 7s are is 21. 1 2 3 zeros. The next is 100 multiplied by 80. Multiply the numericals. 8 1s are is 8. 1 2 3 zeros. 1 2 3. So the answer is 8000. So when you are multiplying whole tens and hundreds by another number, we will first multiply the numericals and then we will add the number of zeros. So once you have learned this, children, let's continue with multiplying 2-digit by 2-digit numbers and 3-digit by 2-digit numbers. Now let's learn to multiply using the lattice method. Now what is lattice? Lattice is nothing but when you arrange sticks in the form of empty squares like this or maybe diamonds like this, this is called as lattice. So in the same way, we will be drawing squares to solve multiplication using lattice method. Now the number 47, when you write it in the form of 10 units, 40 can be written as 47 can be written as 40 plus 7. Correct? Now what do? We arrange 40 here and we write 7 here. So 47, 47. You multiply it by what is the number? 8. Now I told you when you multiply numbers ending with 0, you multiply the numericals first. So what is 8 4s are? 32. And then you put the 0. And what is 7 8s are or 8 7s are is 56. These numbers 320 and 56 we'll have to add them together. So 320 plus 56. Make sure you arrange tens below tens, units below units, and do the addition. So 6, 7, 3. The answer is 376. So answer 47 multiplied by 8 is equal to 376. In multiplication, the answer is called as product. So the product of 47 and 8 is 376. Now let's take the next number, 56 multiplied by 3. Now you know that 56 can be written as 50 plus 6. So we arrange 50 here and we write 6 here, multiplied by the number 3. Again, multiply numericals. 5 3s are 15. Add the 0. So 150. 3 6 are 18. Now we have to add these numbers. Now which numbers you will add? You will add 150 and 18. So 150 plus 18. Again, tens below tens, units below units. 8, 6, 1. So the answer is 168 after addition. So now when you write it, answer, the product of 56 multiplied by 3 is equal to 160. Okay, now let's continue with our lattice method. You know what is a lattice, right? This is a lattice. 3-digit numbers by 1-digit number. The number we have here is 142 multiplied by 6. Now when I expand 142, we write it as 100 plus 40 plus 2. So we will write here 100, 40 and 2. This has to be multiplied by the number 6. Now first multiply the numericals. 6 ones is 6. How many zeros? 2 zeros. So the answer is 600. Now 6 fours is 24. How many zeros? Single zero, 240. And 6 twos is 12. Now we need to add all these three numbers. We need to add 600, 240 and 12. So let's add them. $600 plus 240 plus 12. Let's add them. 2, 4 plus 1 is 5 and 6 plus 2 is 8. So the answer is 852. Answer, $142 multiplied by 6 is equal to 852. The product is 852. Let's take the next number. It is 240 multiplied by 9. Now the number 240 is when you expand it, 240 can be written as 200 plus 40 plus 0. So I will write 240 as, so here it will be 200, here it will be 40, and here it will be 0 multiplied by 9. 9 twos is 18, 2 zeros. 9 fours are 36, add 1 0. 9 zeros are 0. Now we add all these three numbers. So 1800 plus 360 plus 0. 6, 8 plus 3 is 11. So the answer is 2160. Answer 240 multiplied by 9 is equal to 2160. The answer that you got after addition becomes the product. Solve the exercise very neatly in your notebook and write your name on each page. Thank you, children. Stay safe.